All right, this is week 5 of 52 Weeks of Adventure. We're up here at Alta. We are a little further away from home than usual. We're up here for President's Day weekend. I'm up here with Adrian, Boris, Daria, and myself. They know the mountain pretty freaking well, so it's kind of like a locals treatment. And Adrian, what's gonna happen today?
I'm hoping we can get this pit zip open. Maybe not.
All right, let's get on the lift. Oh yeah, boys. Well, first run down at Alta, it was pretty freaking sweet. Loading the mountain, and Adrian showing me the ropes. Adrian just hit a really freaking huge drop, massive drop. Yeah, it's looking like a really good day today. Yeah. That was gnarly. A little bit. Well, that's the end of day 1. We have 3 days at Alta this weekend. I screwed up and my GoPro mount decided to fall off in my yard sale. So there's no GoPro footage from the later part of the day. It probably wouldn't have been very good footage anyways because I was struggling hard. But yeah, we're gonna get a couple, probably get a 6-pack right now, hang out and wait for the Avi control to finish and then head back to Salt Lake. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it's day 2 of being at Alta. We're skiing on 10 inches of fresh snow from last night. It's been blower, it's been super fun. We just had lunch and going up Supreme Lift right now. day 3 at Alta. We have a really early or later flight today, so we're skiing in the morning and into mid-afternoon. And it's snowing again. Great conditions. So, top of High Russell right now. Head back to the car. Looks pretty freaking rowdy. There's Abbey control happening at 2 o'clock and our flight's at 6, so we have to leave early. Huge bummer, but gotta do what we gotta do. That was rad though. Get it. So I just got back from Utah with Adrian, Daria, and Boris. It was a great weekend learning learning Alta, and really getting to know the mountain. I kind of want to move there. Salt Lake City is a pretty cool place. Really lots of recreation. But yeah, if you want to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more content for 52 Weeks of Adventure. That'd be sweet. I'd really appreciate that. And so I guess all there else is to say is I'll see you guys out in the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.